Welcome student, welcome to your own YouTube channel Study with Ravi. Those who are first time visiting the channel, please press the subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the further notification. And you can also share with your friends, your classmates, as well as anyone those who want to study for the study by following the distance, social distance. You can share with them. Today we will discuss remainder theorem. What is remainder theorem? Remainder theorem is that theorem using which you can find the remainder of a polynomial when you will divide it by the other polynomial without dividing. See this, it is given in the NCERT that what is remainder theorem? Let Px be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. Let be the any real number. Let a be the any real number. If Px is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then remainder is Pa. Means, suppose we have a polynomial x to the power 4 plus x to the power 3 minus 2x square plus x plus 1, and we have to divide it by another polynomial x minus 1. So without dividing, how we can find that what will be the quotient, what will be the remainder? So using the remainder theorem we can find it. How to use the remainder theorem? Means guys, if we are dividing this polynomial by this polynomial, so x minus 1 is the dividend, so remainder will be equals to P1. What is P1? P1 means generally we are representing the polynomial by Px. We are representing the polynomial by Px. P1 means what? P1 means in this polynomial everywhere instead of x we will write the 1. Why we are writing the 1? X minus 1. We know that it will equals to 0, so x is equals to 1. So we are writing the value of x in this equation, in this polynomial, and we are getting the remainder. See this, x to the power 4, we have to write x instead of x we have to write 1, so 1 to the power 4 plus x to the power 3, 1 to the power 3 minus 2 x 1 to the power 2 plus 1 plus 1. This will be 1 to the power 4, you know that it will be 1, 1 to the power 3 it will be 1, minus 2 into 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2, minus 2 plus these are 2. 2 minus 2 it will be 0, remainder is 2. We can also solve it. Is the remainder is coming correct or wrong? For this, we will start x minus 1 to the power 4 plus x to the power 3 minus 2x square plus x plus 1. X to the power 4 is here, we have x to the power 1, so we will multiply by x to the power 3, we will get x to the power 4 minus x cube. You know that for the subtraction signs are changing, this will cross out and this will be 2x to the power 3 minus 2x square plus x plus 1. That will be 2x square, 2x to the power 3 minus 2x square. Again sign will change, minus plus, this will cross, as well as this one also cross. Now we have x plus 1. We have x, we have to find x, so we will multiply by 1. So x minus 1, sign change, minus plus, this will cross 2. Yes, 2 is coming remainder. So this is the remainder theorem. Now factor theorem. What is factor theorem? So firstly see in your book what is factor theorem. you can see that factor theorem. If px is a polynomial of degree n which is equal or greater than 1, means the polynomial must be of degree 1 or greater than 1, and a is any real number. If x minus a is a factor of px, x minus a is a factor of px, if pa is equals to 0 and pa is equals to 0 if x minus, so both are the same thing. So see this, if we are dividing without division, we can find the factor of any polynomial using this factor theorem, in which what, if we are getting pa is equals to 0, just the opposite of this remainder theorem, here it was x minus 1, so we find it p1. Similarly here pa is equals to 0, then x minus a is factor. See one example of it. Suppose we are taking, we have the polynomial x to the power 3 plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6, and we are going to find p minus 2. You know that I already told you in remainder theorem, p minus 2 means what? In this polynomial, instead of x we will write minus 2. So x cube means minus 2's cube plus 3x square, 2's square plus 5 minus 2 plus 6. Minus 2's cube, it will be minus 8 plus 2 minus 2's square 4, 4 3's are 12 minus 5 2's are 10 plus 6. You can know that you can find out that 12 and 6 both are the positive, so 12 plus 6 18, and here 8 and minus 8 and minus 10 will be minus 18. So p minus 2 is coming 0. So x plus 2 is a factor of px. Px means this polynomial. Thank you class. Share this video with your friends, as well as once again I am telling, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for the further notification, and press the like button if you are getting the contents are good. And for any query and question, you can write down you can write the comment, as well as in WhatsApp group, as well as on YouTube. Thank you.